spoke about your fitness journey, food, coffee, books, etc. Right? Are there any points where I'm just not satisfied with things? So, are there any points that way?
I think before I got into this fitness journey, before I started working out with this group and this group, I was working out. I used to see a lot of videos. I used to do a lot of workout. In fact, I used to do I think almost 1.5 hours a day. Every day I used to work out. But on the weighing scale, it was always moving up. It was never the same or moving down. I think at that point I was disheartened. At that point I was like, what is the point of workout? I'm doing so much, but all I'm seeing is my weight going up. Nothing is working for me. And at one point I gave up also. I was like, I don't think it works for me. I don't think it works for anybody. I think people are just talking, or maybe they need to be really disciplined in their food, in their diet, in their everything, and only then they will lose weight. So I think before I got into this group, I had given up basically losing weight. I never thought it will happen to me, and I was like, let me be how I am. And that was, I think, one of the reasons, because I didn't even think about my weight when I was working out. One of the reasons that I started losing weight, because I was just enjoying it. I never thought, okay, because I want to lose weight, I want to do it. So I think it is very important, even if you're disheartened with anything in your goal or anything, try to enjoy the journey more than thinking about the goal every single day. So that would help you in enjoying your journey, and it would achieve the goal. You would work hard. Just give your 100%, be consistent, and don't keep thinking, this is what I want, this is what I want. Just stick to one plan, go about it, and if at all there is something that is not going your way, let it be. I mean, the more you try to meddle with things, I think it will create a bigger mess. So just let it be for the moment, take a breath, get back to it the next day.
Awesome. Very well said, Vidya. That's really nice. Because I've been in that position as well a few years ago. And then once I changed the habits, yes, it actually did work out. And it actually works when you don't think about it and you just keep working on it, right? Yes, that's actually very true. So, Vidya, who inspires you to stay fit?
I think right now my coach is the one who's inspiring me, who's pushing me. Because I think for me, the important thing was, I don't know when to push, I don't know when to cut back. When I started working out with him is when I realized that even if I have to improve my performance in running, I need to do a lot of other things. Flexibility, mobility, all of these go hand in hand. You have to get into all of these steps. So I think in that way, keeping the goal of running, I've got into many other things, and I think I have to be thankful for my coach for that, because I wouldn't have done it. I would be like, okay, let me run every day and be happy with it. I would never have got into weights. I would not have got into other things at all. So in that way, I'm really happy. He inspires me to push myself hard or cut back when I have to.
Nice, that's amazing. Thanks to your coach who inspires you on daily basis. Yeah, so Vidya, now that we spoke about all this, let's play a game, okay? So it's called This or That. So I'll tell you two items or things, and then you'll have to choose one and tell me why you're choosing that, okay? Workout at home or gym?
Gym. I think the motivation in the gym is a little bit more than workout at home.
Because you see people working out around you. Okay, that's nice. Exercise at the morning or evening?
So actually I differ. I mean, on different days it's different for me. On days I prefer evening. On weekends I prefer morning.
Oh, okay, that's amazing. Yeah. Squats or lunges?
Squats.
Salads or pizza?
Pizza.
Okay. I know. Fruits or vegetables?
Vegetables.
Okay. Staying indoors or outdoors?
I think outdoors. I like outdoors.
Okay. Spicy food or desserts?
Spicy food.
Okay. Barbells or weights?
Weights.
That's amazing, Vidya. So, Vidya, we know that you do social media designing for NGOs, right? Tell us more about it.
So I think I started this in, I think last year, November. because I was just a little bit inclined. I mean, I was doing certain social media design for my friends. So then I thought, why not do it on a bigger platform and, try to diversify what I'm doing. So I just started Enrich Designs, and I was like, okay, let me just put out there that this is there. I didn't know how many people would contact me. I had no idea. But luckily through networking and everything, I got a couple of NGOs who were just starting up then, and they wanted a logo and they wanted some media flyers and stuff. So they just started contacting me for these. One was like they were into blogging, so they wanted some flyers out for that and all. And another was like a orphanage who was just starting, orphanage and an old age home. They were just starting. They wanted some people to know about this NGO is there and all. And also I had to do some website work for them and all. So when they started contacting me for all these, and they were like, okay, website, different things, I think I also started learning on different platforms that are there and trying to do different things, researching a bit more on what it is, how to go about it and all. And since I'm a little bit interested in trying to design new things, especially for Instagram and Facebook, so I think it worked well for me also to do such activities for them.
Nice, that's amazing. Yeah, so Vidya, now that we've already come to an end of this episode, it's been too fast today. So we have a format. Every guest tells their fitness mantra. So what's yours?
Very simple, I think. Never skip a workout, no matter how lazy you feel, no matter how you want to sleep in. Just get up, get that workout done, even if it is for just 20 minutes, get it done. And also be very conscious about hydration, sleep, and what you're training for that particular day. So very simple, just be conscious about what you're doing, like the whole day. It's not just the workout period, your whole day. Try to get in some activity throughout the day, because we all are actually leading a very sedentary lifestyle right now, especially during COVID. It's very important to get up every hour, get some activities, do some stretches or anything. So just be active the entire day and hydrate well. And sleep also is very underrated, but yeah, sleep well also.
Yes, that's amazing. Very well said, Vidya. Thanks a lot for being an amazing guest and sharing your journey. I'm sure it will inspire many out there.
So much for inviting me to this and having a good time.
Thank you, Vidya. Okay, guys. Until I come back with another stupendous guest, stay tuned and keep watching your Catalyst Fits Alpha. Till then, get inspired and keep inspiring. Thank you.
Stay active and stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.